Hey beautiful people! Today we're gonna burn some major calories with a series of short dance combos. To take it up a level, add a pair of light free weights. Let's do this. All right guys, we're gonna start out with some simple isolations. We start with the head and the neck. I got my girl Ellie on the left, my girl Casey on the right. We go back. There we go, head tilt to the left. Now the rest of your body can be free as you're just isolating the head here, looking to the right. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Four more. Neck rolls to the left. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Step it out, nice and slow. To the right. Moving down to the shoulder. It goes on left, right, left, right. There we go. Loosen up those shoulders right here. Bouncing it out. In 3, in 2, in 1. We gotta bounce. A little TLC move.
Okay.
Yeah, baby. Rolling the shoulders to the back. Turn the body to the left is back. There we go. On over to the right. Beautiful. You guys are already doing so great. To the front. Switch it over. Take a nice deep breath here. We're about to move it down to the ribs. Go back to that step touch. In 3, in 2, in 1. We go left, right, right. Now we're isolating the rib cage here. Big smile. Take it front, back, front, back, front, back. Ha, ha, ha. Ha. Keep it going. Rib rolls to the left. Here we go. Take it left. Nice and loose. To the right. Body rolls down the center. Open up. Get your whole upper body involved. Beautiful. For 4. For 3. For 2. Get the hips rocking. Nice wide stance. Let it bounce. You got it, Ellie? Yeah, I see you bouncing, girl. Take it to the front. Just pulse it up. You can take it low if you want to. Drop it back, back. Beautiful. Roll it over to the left. Here we go. Nice work, people. To the right. Now we got our footwork. So we step it out, ball change. Step, ball change. Step, ball change. Hup. 4 more. Cross it over in 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross it out. Now this cross is gonna turn into a kick, but just keep it here for now. Kick it out. It's a kick. Ball change. Step. Hup. Last 3. Last 2. Skip the rope. Here we go. It's up. Nice work. Now we're about to get the full body involved. We drop it down, plank jacks, pump it up, jump it out. Here we go. Jump it out. Take it down. Great job, people. Keep pumping that heart rate up. 2 more. Last one. High knees around the world. Here we go. To the left. Jump rope, slow it down. To the right. Back side. To the left. Groove it out to the front. All right, guys. You feeling all warmed up?
Oh yeah, for sure. Sweating. Woo.
So the next thing is gonna be 2 short combos that at the end, we'll put it all together.
Cool, let's do it.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Let it groove all the way to the end of the song. There we go. Start in a low pulsing squat. Pulse it down, down, down. Weight in the back of the heels, chest up nice and tall. We're going with the step throw. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep breathing. Step, touch, step, throw, let's go. Huh. High knees, let's go. Great work. Switch lunge. 5, 6, 7, 8. We put it all together. Start with 2 step throws. Here we go. Step, touch, step, throw. High knees. Take it around the world. Let's go. You're almost there. Huh. Again. Stay here. Jump down. We got 6 push-ups. Here we go. Down. Down. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Make your way up. Face the front. Start to roll those shoulders back. Beautiful work. Roll it up, arms in the air. Get low with it if you can. Kick the foot out, jump side to side. We got that triple step coming up. You ready, Casey?
So ready, you know it.
Let's go. Make it cute. That's it. Put it all together. Take it around the world. Let's go. Roll, jump it out. Triple step, quarter turn. Huh. Keep those smiles on, let's go. Roll, jump it out. Triple step, last one. Huh. Drop down, give me 6 push-ups one more time. You're almost finished. Finish strong, that's it. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Great work, ladies. Make your way to your feet. It's time to grab those weights.
Let's do it. Woo.
All right. High fives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With weight.
Amazing. Thanks, Casey. We start it to the left. We're digging it out. Bringing the weights up to a hammer bicep curl. Other way. 2 times, here we go. 2 to the right. Single it out, guys. Let's go. Squat it down, pull it in. There we go. Last 3, last 2, last 1. Stay low, press it up. Give me 4 more. Come up. Alternate with the press. Here we go. It's right, left. Sorry, left, right. That's it. Woo. Take it low. Now start to turn that body to the side. We're gonna step it out and pull it back in a row. 3, 2, 1. Nice work. Elbows straight back. Leave it there. Extend. Back. Keep breathing. Flat back. 8 more. 8, 7, 6. You got this at home. I see you. 4, 3, 2. Now leave those arms back. Pulse it in. In. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2. Flip those palms up. Pulse it high to the sky. Let it burn there. You're doing amazing. 4, 3, 2. Nod it out.
Yeah.
Other side. Here we go. Rock it out, ladies. 4 times to the left. To the right. 4 twos. Here we go. 1 more set. Take the arms all the way up. Tiny circles to the front. to the back. Four more. We fist pump to the sky, starting with the left arm. Take it up. Huh. This is the big finish. Take it across the body. Here we go. Huh. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be you. That's it, punch it low. Huh. We're almost home, ladies. Across one more time. Huh. Last 4, 3, 2, let it go.
Woo!
That was
All
killer.
right. Hey, girl. Yeah.
All right, drop those weights. We're here for the last song. Clap it out. We're gonna create a party in this room.
Let's do it.
That's what it's all about.
Let's go.
Drop those hips back. Here we go. Arms up and down. Now rock that body. 3, 2, 1. It's front. Front. Just pick the knees up just a little bit. Get funky with it. 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for Casey's groove. Let's watch her. Huh. I think we got it. Woo. Ellie's groove. Here we go.
Yes, girl.
Top of the first combo. Here we go. Step, throw, step, touch, throw. Switch lunge. Keep it to the front. Again. Huh. 2 more times like that. Last one. Second combo on the beat. Here we go. It's a little slower for you right here because we're gonna put it together. That's it. My girl's got me there. Huh. Don't forget that triple step. 2 more. Groove it out. Let's go. It's your freestyle moment. Do you, baby? Let's groove. Chest to the front. Huh. Casey's groove. Let's go. Finish it out with Ellie's groove. Huh. 4, 3, 2, freestyle. Let's go. All right, you ready to put them together, ladies?
Yeah. So ready. Let's
Here
do
we
it.
go. 3, 2, 1. You got this at home. Let's go. Step, throw, step, touch. 4 high knees, 2 switch lunges. Roll those shoulders back. Uppercut. Roll it down. Jump it out. Triple step to finish. 1 more time from the top. Here we go. Huh. Yes. All right, ladies.
Good.
You ready to cool it down a little bit?
Please.
We did enough sweating and hard work.
Yes.
Let's cool it down. Body rolls to the left. Right. Double it up with me. Twice to the left. Let your arms be free right here. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Take that hip forward. Step with our right foot. Hey, that's Casey's groove right there. Take it all the way down. Beautiful. Stretch that leg back. Reach for the ground. Give me a nice long runner's lunge. Straighten both legs, head down to the knee. Take a deep breath right here. And slowly drag that back foot in, roll up. We step the opposite foot forward, wind it down. Here we go. Know yourself, know your worth, and always know that it should be a priority to take care of yourself first. Step back into that nice low lunge. Beautiful. Keep breathing. Straighten both legs up. Stretch out those hamstrings. Slowly slide that back foot in. Slow roll all the way up, one vertebrae at a time. Legs wide, arms sweep up and down. Up. Take it down. Sweep it all the way up. 2 more, all the way up. And up. Last one down. Straighten those legs. Start to rock those hips. Left to right. Just a tiny hip rock right here. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk the toes and heels into touch. And start to swing the body left to right. You can bring the back up just a little bit. Start to work your way up. Keep letting that body hang. Keep letting that hair swing all the way to the top. 2 fists high to the sky. Close your eyes, take 1 deep inhale in. You're a champion, you're a winner every single day. And I hope to be back with you next week to do this all again. Love you.